I'm really bad with heat management, so check this place out. Check this. Awesome. I love it in here because it's at least 15 degrees lower than outside. I always know what I come from, what I came for, and I kind of take a couple minutes just to see and browse, just to chill in the place. I just went on a really chill walk with my brother. Believe it or not, same father, same mother. We don't look at all. We only have the same eyes, nothing else. But yeah, he's the one I was telling you about. He was living in the States, now came back to Europe. And yeah, we're gonna spend more time together now. Alright, so I spent at least 3 hours watching Casey's videos, trying to learn as much as possible. I learned a lot, yeah. But then I discovered I spent 3 hours in my house. That's a lot. I usually don't spend 3 hours in a row just doing nothing productive. I mean, learning new stuff is productive, to be honest, but I feel like I have to go out, so I'll just go to the nearest cinema and watch whatever movie. There must be some 9 p.m. projections. Yeah, last night I didn't watch the whole movie through the end, so I'm gonna watch it now. Whatever it is, I just have to go out. Yeah! I know it's paradoxical that I spent 3 hours watching at the screen and now I'm going to watch another screen. But yeah, my whole life is paradoxical, I guess. You'll get used to that, trust me. Just for fun, I'm gonna buy some candies and try to smuggle them inside the theater. 3 should be more than enough. You know what? When we got those sweets, let's go all in with the sugar tonight. Nutella and ground cookies. Yummy. I'm a half an hour early for the movie. I'm just gonna chill here. Yeah, my brother watched this movie last night and he highly recommended it, and that's the reason why I decided to go for that one. I cannot even pronounce the name of the movie. Dirk and something, but should be awesome. This. We're gonna watch this. So there's this tree in my hallway, and every time my girl comes, she says, "Hi Benji," and I decided to put a sign, "Ciao Ivana," and all of a sudden, I got a ciao back from unknown lover, I guess. And yeah, by the way, thank you IKEA. Yeah, IKEA. So why is there a fuss about IKEA? Because IKEA was in Serbia a while back, but for some unknown reason, at least unknown for myself, IKEA shut down the store in 1991. And today is the official launch of the new IKEA store in Serbia. So it's just outside of the Belgrade. It's easy to access, but a little far away. But the good thing, we're gonna have cheapest furniture back in our homes. And yeah, but I'm now more interested in a barber shop, the one I told you before. They re-established the bigger place, so they expanded a lot, and I'm looking forward to see how it looks like. So let's go there. They opened 7 minutes ago, and I can bet there's at least 7 guys waiting inside at this moment. Hello. Hi. Hello there. Hello. There's a table full, and it's much bigger. As you can see, it's much bigger, and it's awesome. Yeah. Told you, 7 guys at least. So that was it guys, subscribe to stay tuned and see you in the next video.